Hello everyone, this is Maya from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini Libya 90 espresso machine. Now for this machine we have done quite a lot of work as we had to replace basically all the wiring of the machine in order to continue to test it, to fully test it and to safely use the machine. We had to replace all these wires that you see. As you can kind of see, probably here, the whole wiring is just brittle, every single one of them. You can kind of see this is the exact same wire. Most of it is just in really bad shape. You will find just a little piece of wire that it will be good, but most of it will just be either burned or just corroded. This insulation exposed. Some of the electronic parts were just already burned as well. So we had to redo the entire wiring harness of this machine. We reconnected everything. We replaced the water pump. This machine is from 2000. This is the original pump as well from 1703 2000. That would be that would be March 17, 2000. So this machine is built around there. So that's the age of this machine. So we had to replace this water pump. We also had to replace the heating element. I believe this is also the original heating element. So it unfortunately, once we had the whole machine power on, these just started shorting out. So it probably burned from the inside, as there's a lot of scale buildup in surrounding the whole heating element. So and when that happens, that creates an insulation. This overheats and it just burns. So yeah, this had to be replaced. We replaced the vacuum release, the safety valve as well. We also had to flip the three-way valve as it was installed incorrectly. We had to correctly install it. We also descaled heavily the boiler. This machine had this scale build-up all over the place. We had to descale it for at least one day to just completely soak the boiler to make sure we remove as much as we could from the boiler. There's still a little bit of scale buildup. I couldn't remove a lot, but we did our best what we could, and we removed as much as possible. But yeah, this was basically surrounding the entire machine, every single pipe, every single part of the boiler, the heat exchanger. A lot of parts of the machine were clogged with this stuff. So yeah, we did quite a lot of work on this machine. Now everything is looking great. Here are some pictures from the inside. This is the new water pump. Let me see, you can focus. There you go. New water pump installed. These are all the new wires with the relay and all the parts. The insulation as well. Installed on most of these wires on the back as well. This is the top of the machine. All these cables are insulated as well. New connections pretty much everywhere. Some of the pipes of the boiler are covered with this silicone hose that can withstand 300 degrees Fahrenheit continuously. So should be pretty good, and it should insulate most of the wires and some of the parts of the machine. So yeah, that's what we did on this beautiful Pasquini. It was quite a lot of work. We brought it back to life, and now let's brew a shot. Since we had the machine on for quite a bit, we're gonna have to, let me close this properly. Since we had this machine on for quite a bit, we're gonna have to purge the heat exchanger, as it's probably the exact same temperature as the steam boiler. As you can see, we have an amazing flow coming out from the group head. Really nice flow. Once the machine is already cooling down, now that's where we can do our shot. Now hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm using our Lelit Bianca grind, so this is a bit more finer for this machine. This is using a vibratory pump. The other one is using a rotary pump, a much stronger pump. So it's designed for that. So hopefully we can see a good shot. There you go, slow flow, but pulling a shot. Looking like a good extraction as well. And making crema. That looks great. As you can see, there's no leaks coming out from the portafilter. Everything is pressurizing properly. We're seeing a nice steady flow coming out from the portafilter. The machine is totally keeping up with that grind. Look at that beautiful shot of espresso. Gonna stop it right here. Great crema. Looking good. I'm gonna drink this. Definitely gonna drink this. Right? And as you can see, we have a nice flow coming out from the group head as well. Steam pressure. Excellent. Really great steam coming out from the boiler. And water. Amazing flow coming out from the boiler as well. And the boiler, of course, is filling up back again, where the temperature will drop a bit and then it will get to idle, heat up a bit, and get up to temperature. Perfect. Now that the boiler is filled up, it's going to start heating up. It's going to go over here where it goes to 1.2 bars approximately of pressure. And yeah, there you go. Pasquini Livia 90 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing me Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.